In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Artistly AI to create multi-page book materials quickly and consistently. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. From there, open the AI design or image generation tool, depending on the type of book content you want to create. Next, start by creating a consistent theme. Enter a clear prompt like children's storybook style illustrations with soft colors, consistent characters, and a warm storytelling tone. This helps maintain visual consistency across all pages. After that, generate your first page and save the prompt that you used. This is important because you'll reuse and slightly adjust the same prompt for the next pages to keep characters, style, and colors consistent throughout the book. Then, continue creating each page one by one, making small changes in the prompts such as scene descriptions or actions, while keeping the same style settings and character details. Once all pages are complete, review them side by side to ensure consistency in style, tone, and character design. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.